My name is Laura. This was kind of back in 2019. I actually had my son, my oldest son, and I had a fine pregnancy, but I was very anxious and just felt like something was off. And then about 6 months after, I was diagnosed with celiac disease. But it took quite some time to get there. And I truly believe I probably had celiac disease for probably the majority of my life. And so I was constantly going through this cycle of what did I eat? What is causing this? And it just became this loop, like we say, of constantly reanalyzing my day. What did I eat? What did I do? The symptoms were tough because like I said, I just continued to feed into them of continuing to restrict my diet, continuing to just try to seek out answers anywhere and everywhere I could. I went to the ER a few times. I was then getting more anxious about being able to do my job. I tried a number of diets with a dietitian. I tried low FODMAP. I tried, different diets were recommended to me, continuing to try to isolate foods. I tried so many countless supplements, like for low stomach acid, for different things that could be in the stomach to kind of get rid of like SIBO and different things. I went to a functional medicine practitioner for about a year. And she's the one who actually recommended this program to me. I think right before I started, I kind of hit this point of I can't be in this cycle anymore of limiting foods. I just wanted to eat foods. I wanted to move on with my life. And I remember the first meditation I did was the soften and flow. And I just felt this huge relief and just this sense of like, this is it. This is what I need. And I was crying just like I am now. I have zero restrictions on my diet anymore. I eat besides gluten. But I am not scared of any food. So for me, that's like a huge improvement mentally and emotionally. Like, this has helped me get on this journey to self awareness and authenticity that's completely changed who I am. And I definitely think I'm a very different person than when I was a few years ago, kind of at my deepest, darkest point. And I feel completely on the other side of that at like my highest point, but hopefully going even higher.